Now let's try another tricky image for image recognition with these large language models. So here, if you see, it's a image of a speedometer, and the speed is actually 4 miles per hour, whereas the speed limit is 40, which is slightly confusing for the model. So let's push in this image into different models and ask it what is the speed, and we expect an answer of 4, but I believe some of them might fail and say 40, which is the speed limit. Now I pushed in the same prompt in 4 different LLMs. If you see from the top here, I've sent it to Claude, ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini. Claude made the mistake. It came back saying the current speed is 40 miles per hour, which is the speed limit. ChatGPT came back saying that it's 4 miles per hour. It was able to capture it. Perplexity also said 4 miles per hour using their default model. And Gemini was also able to not only figure out the car type, but it also got the speed right, saying 4 miles per hour. So in terms of image recognition performance, Claude failed this test compared to all the other models that we have worked with so far. And that is a drawback from Claude, but keep in mind, I am specifically figuring out cases by doing extensive research where I believe the models will show discrepancy. So on a normal average task, it will perform well. If you remember the previous one that we did on the barber shot, it did a pretty good job in understanding the weather, the number plate. This was a tricky prompt, so failing here is expected from some of the LLMs. I'm actually very surprised that all the other models got it right. So that's it for this lecture. I'll show you another example of a different image recognition prompt in the next one.